you go to a restaurant, you don't know what it is you want to chop.
I
know
need
what
tissue.
you are chopping. I got the frog's legs.
Buju noir. See, don't come out tears from my eyes now.
Calamari is also octopus.
Anyway, those of you they wonder why we don't play Shay Law 2 skits. Shay Law supposed to do the show today, and we're supposed to discuss about events when it be say they happen on Sunday for Eco Hotel, Fast and Funny with Shay Law. They happen this Sunday for Eco Hotel. If you never get ticket, you go for the venue. You go get your ticket to take for watch the show with Shay Law. Anyway.
Say. I don't die, boy.
Anyway, Moko watch your praise video. Won't come back and continue it.
Yeah, me. I got the frog's legs. Bonjour, noir.
Worship. I beg, wanna join us. Welcome, Joe Praise. Joe Praise. You dey clap for yourself.
Says what song?
If I clap myself, now God.
Where you shoot that video to start with?
Na Cape Town.
Now, very sweet song.
South Africa.
I just sit down quiet, come be like, spirit enter my body. I just sit down,
No, the way you take on that spirit, na evil spirit.
No, not spirit. No, you don't spirit. I the Holy Spirit.
Holy Spirit na spi. That's why those way they sing spirit. You understand? How you go say spray. You're na evil spirit.
No.
No, I beg, no.
You see that water blue like this, you are yakking.
I true. That water blue.
Hey!
That water blue.
Now say before that side.
Where you see blue water for this lake
But
of
very soon our own will become blue.
They go
Lagos?
put blue inside the water.
Beach.
They will put Baba blue inside. They will put blue inside. Wait, I like to shoot down black. In fact, this kind of water, my water dey inside. My water dey inside, I choose my water.
No.
Now then, this kind of water, now they get human hair.
Okay.
Now from them, they get human
Come
hair.
they speak the spray.
Hey, Brazilian, Peruvian hair. Now from this kind of water,
So,
they get
okay,
am.
the mami water when they do our
No,
own.
this one, Simbi is again, they plant.
Which kind of English? Which kind of English is
Wafi. Elegushi, my water, they different.
Okay.
Then Babich, my water, they different.
Okay.
Wait, sorry. May I ask you a question? How you didn't know them?
I don't know.
No, not beside I know them.
I said, talking about that.
Not beside I know them. Easy beats, they deal with them.
He's a man of God.
Easy beats, they go play for them. You know the
I seen go there play for them. They go come on.
Joe. Why not the year? Friday turn up at Elegushi with Easy Beats.
No.
You know the hair.
No, I seen go there go play.
My brother, this guy has my slide.
They go they run.
Oh yeah,
They go run.
See.
You know say that no.
Okay, tell me. In the chop chewing gum. Now, which man of God they chop chewing gum?
You have to keep fresh now.
In the chop chewing
So,
gum.
Daniel, is he the man of God?
He said they call him man of God. Joe Praise they call him man of
You
God.
know a man of God.
Okay.
I'm a man of God. I know myself.
See this guy. Even you don't trust yourself. But you be suspect too.
Anyway, Joe Praise, welcome to the lecture. Welcome to the lecture. Where you don't go since? You know how many times you don't drag this guy come
Today
to
I
the
talk
show?
say I will call set to make peace with Nedu.
I didn't you not come to
And
the
I
show.
can't come today will be birthday.
You want that shot's money, you know something. Now God na him do it. This morning when we wake up from morning, as me, Katim and Easy Beat, I don't know how we take Dwam. Easy Beat come tell me say Alpha. Say him just stand up now. Say him man just tell and say make him pray. Make somebody dash us money. Make somebody dash us money. Now I say now the same prayer I pray. Katim come to me say because we get group chat. So the same prayer now pray. Now I come remember. Oh, Joe Praise they come today. He say Easy because they liver. Say you dey dash people money where? Say you are
No, he said na bundles.
He say you are a dashist.
Yes, he said na bundles.
You dashist. You dash for a living. You are a dashist.
He said na bundles. He
Yeah.
said say na 100, na 1,000 naira. They say the clean one where you go do like say you
No, we don't mind whether it clean or not. As long as it's not 1,000, it's okay.
Serious.
So now make us believe. You know thing happen eh? Mo go market and when we come back, may you take the space, take come back to yourself.
Okay, good.
You understand? You that money prepare to give us.
Daddy, you be Alpha Omega.
Thank God for the money.
China no gozilema. Maiga China we. No gozilema o. Maiga China we. Maiga China we. Maiga China no gozilema. Eri horo ngawe. Eri pota kontiwo. Wanu ya mola moyawe. Ya mola kuzawe. Mazebe nu jokuke. Ai jokuke bunye me fega o. Ai gogoru ngachinu nyegamwe. Masamula no barake jokuke we. Ai nzelu montan wala we. Ai masamula ni kengo nyegaru. Ai nzelu montan wala we. So them go they think am. Yeah, say them no one realize am. Yeah, say now God do what they do am. I don't go fit to fake am. Jesus to bless you. Jesus to bless you. Jesus to bless you. When they make and you get away. Mama, you go to the joke. China no gozilema. Masambula no barake. Maiga China we. Zero motawa. Maiga China we. Masambula ni kengo. Maiga China we. Iga chobu. China no gozilema. And so them go. Maiga China we. They know I'm Maiga China we. Say na God do it. Maiga China we. Iga chobu. No go zilema. When they buy Jesus beze o. Jesus beze. Kela chokuke. Jesus beze. Jesus beze. Kela chokuke. No go zilema.
I don't get a lot, God do it. And I don't pay my rent, God do it. If you want for my honey, God do it. If you want for my joy, I say everything I don't change my name to
Come on, get up. Come on, side to side. I don't dance before that.
and then we say
I would do. Sit down here. Sit down there. Ah, where lipstick? Where? Go now. Stop. What? See, your face. You don't do now. Today now, we can do anything.
You calm down,
if I call easy beat now, why will you look at my face now?
No, I separate fight. Okay, it's not okay. That's okay.
We even beating you, me an easy beat. Sit down like that.
No, forgive her.
Joe Praise, I beg, tell us about your new project, sir.
No, more celebrity tomorrow.
I don't know.
It can only be God. No, as I come here today now.
Wait, we go get microphone. How do you feel today?
Well,
happy birthday to you.
Daddy.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Nedu. Happy birthday to you.
Make I talk something for 2 minutes before Joe Praise tell us what you want to. At the end of the video clip where Kemos, by the way, thank you very much. You're a wonderful human being. Thank you very much.
Our producer
thank
of
you,
life.
Kemos, K-Solo, every one of you. Thank you. You guys are the
Everybody.
best. You guys are just the bomb. I want to talk something. You say it can only be God. I don't talk this thing before. Katim, no. Everything where I be today, everything where I go be tomorrow. It's God. Not only God, not be me. I even tell you. Sometimes even the boxers why they wear for my PTD. Now God now give me. Hey, you know what I'm saying? What are the title we say not get anything where I get for this life today will not be God. I remember 2010 when I can't travel back and tell you.
And also follow you when nothing there.
I can't tell Lagos and
you just say no for take camera they follow you that time.
You don't say go blow like this. You don't say go blow like this.
I remember when they bought me for Kakuri for where they live for Kakuri. I remember if they tell me say it go be like this today. I not see him. I know they go somewhere, but I don't know where they go. But anyway, I want to say thank you to everybody. Everybody will call me today. KC, Limpopo, Ricardo Banks. Everybody, thank you to all of us. Joe Praise, thank you. Oh my God, you're gonna make me cry.
I don't know.
I don't know.
Oh my God. And then to Easy Beats always got my back like that. And I love you, bro. Like no homo, but I love you.
We go like that.
They do be like they collect now acceptance speech.
And then to my sweetheart, Katim, oh no. Hey.
If you not just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.